This guide provides detailed instructions for integrating Ostorlab into your GoCD pipeline. Go to your GoCD dashboard. Go to the setting page of the pipeline you wish to add the integration to. Navigate to the Stages tab. From there, add a new stage. You will be prompted with a new stage to fill. Add the name of the stage and the job name. Make sure that the task type selected is Custom Command. Add bash as the command. And add the option -c and pip install Ostorlab as arguments. Click Save. Go to the newly added stage. Navigate to the Jobs tab. Go to the initial job you added previously. And then add a new task of the type Custom Command. Same as before, add bash as the command. The -c and the Ostorlab run scan command. And then save. Then you need to go to the Environment Variables tab to add the variables necessary for the command. First, add the Ostorlab API key as a secure variable. And then add the remaining variables as plain text. After adding the variables you are using in the Ostorlab run scan command, click Save. In this guide, you learned how to seamlessly integrate Ostorlab scan into your GoCD pipeline.